Seedance 2.5 is introducing new AI video generation capabilities, including support for stunning 4K qualities in your AI videos. In this video, I will walk you through the platform, show you the settings I use and the results we will be achieving. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, we will be generating AI cinematic video using Seedance. Okay, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop a comment on the comment section. All right, if you are looking to improve the quality of your AI video generation, Seedance is what you need. Now let's dive in. Let me show you how to generate AI video that is 4K quality. Remember to subscribe. Step 1, you head to your browser. It can be on your phone or on your laptop, whichever device. Type in Hig Fields. All right. Now this particular one, all right, you click on it. You open it up. Now this is how the interface looks like. You can see Seedance 4K. All right. Now this is one of the platforms you can create AI videos that are 4K using Seedance. Okay, so now you remember you have to sign in. So I will be signing in with Google. Okay, now you'll be clicking all these. You can do beginner, intermediate. Now all these, you can click any one of them. All right, but because I may be, generating, any kind of video, I can go for storyboard, so I'm clicking on all of it. Okay, make sure you click all of it. You can equally do lip sync, talking avatar. So you can, now you'll be asked, how did you hear about this particular tool? Okay, it can be YouTube, TikTok, anyone. So I just click on then your last question. Okay, so you can just take any of them you feel like. All right, now you'll be asked, you see all these tools, Seedance, Clink, all right, Nano Banana, they are all here. All right, these are just adverts. Okay, you can just go ahead and take them off, but if you want to get discount, you can get discount. Okay, so this is it. I've signed in. That is the first step. When you get to the site, you need to sign in. All right, this particular, take your time and go through the platform. Okay, go through the website and see what it looks like. All right, you can see Seedance 2.0 now in 4K. All right, okay, so let's generate our video, our 4K video. All right, so haven't gotten this, remember, just click on the video. Okay, and click on the video. Up there you see Seedance 2.0 4K. There are other tools, other AI video generators there, but we are going for Seedance 2.0 4K. All right, now once you click on it, it opens up. If this pops out, you just take it out. Okay, now on your video again, this keeps popping up. Okay, just keep taking them down. They are all ad on the platform. Click on Seedance and now this is how it looks. Okay, this is it. You can click on change and go with any of the AI video generators here, but our interest is Seedance 2.0 4K. All right, video quality. I click on upload and upload the image. This is an image to video Seedance 2.0. All right, now you click on it. Just highlight this, especially for first timers, you will be getting this. Okay, so having inputted the image, you allow it to load. You are at to allow it to load. Once it is done loading, you click on it, so it will just, now it has uploaded, so just click on it. It has gone to where it should be. All right, now you can see just take your time and go through this. You can see some of the elements. If you have any other thing to add, you add. All right, but we are just going for the, to see if we can get a 4K video. All right, now the next thing is for us to go to ChatGPT. That particular image, the video prompt, and the dialogue. Now this is a dialogue. This particular scene that I'm generating has dialogue. Okay, the dragon and an old man, they were conversing. So this is it. I'll just go ahead and copy it up. All right, and head back to my platform, to the site, which is here, and paste our prompt. Okay, you paste your prompt with the dialogue. Remember to take out your time to, go through it. All right, now Seedance 2.5 is on a testing. There is being tested, and one important thing is it will be in 4K. All right, so Seedance 2.0, you can now generate 4K video on it. Then you click on generate. Okay, you click on generate. You can now generate 4K quality video on Seedance 2.0. At the same time, you can equally generate 4K using Seedance 2.5. All right, now at the end of this video, I will be playing what we generated. Make sure to subscribe. Okay, my video has actually generated, so I'll just play it for you to watch.
You've kept this secret for centuries?
Some truths are too dangerous.
And now?
Now the world must know.